today's goal is I can solve word problems by using number bonds. Everyone, I want you to say our learning target with me. Ready? Go.
Our learning target.
I can solve word problems by using number bonds. Thank you for your response. Okay, so today's goal is we all want to solve 3 problems on our own. How many problems do we want to solve on our own? Think about it. Let me try it one more time. I will solve 3 problems on my own. That's our goal. So how many problems do you want to solve on your own?
5.
What did I just say? What number is this?
Oh, 3.
3. Good responding, Leo. How many problems do we need to solve today?
3.
3. Great job. Okay, so I want to review something with you. Everyone hold out your fists. Thank you for responding to my directions. And I want you to say part, whole. Ready, go.
Part, whole.
Okay, so when we do an addition problem, we have a part, and a whole. Now, I want you to copy me. Ready? Whole, part. Ready? Now your turn. Whole, part. You guys did that really good. I want to do that one more time, okay? Ready? Go. Whole, part. I love your loud voice. Thank you. Okay, so that is for subtraction because you have your whole and then you go into your parts. Now I have one more physical activity for us to do. Everyone put your hands like this. Great, following directions. And when we add, we join together. That's right. And when we subtract, we take away. Everyone take away. Great job. Okay, so as a reminder, our class rules are I want you to have your eyes on me, and I want you to raise your hand, and I want you to try your best. Deal? Thumbs up if you think you can do it. Thank you for your thumbs up, perfect. Okay, so now we're going to get started into our lesson. We need to learn about word problems because, Gabby, can you put your eyes on me? Thanks. Because word problems are stories about everyday life. Midori, do you ever wish that you could count all of your toys in your toy box? Yes. And Gabby, thank you for responding. Do you ever wish that you could know how much money you need to buy the candy bar at the store? Well, you won't know unless you can do word problems, right? Okay, so that's why we're learning about word problems. And to get you guys excited, I'm going to do our first one. Now, before we get started, I need to show you our steps, okay? I'm going to say them, and then you're going to say them with me, okay? Our first step is to read the problem. What's our first step?
Read the part.
Thank you for responding. Let's try that all together now, okay? What's our first step?
Read the problem.
Yes, Midori. Okay. Now, our second step is to think, is this an addition or a subtraction problem? Okay, our second step, is this addition or subtraction?
We don't know.
Well, that's what we have to figure out. Good questions. Okay, everyone say the second step with me. Ready? Go. Is this addition or subtraction? See how I have these pictures? Even if you can't read the steps, you can look at the pictures to remind yourself. So read the problem, addition or subtraction. The third step is to set up the problem. What's the third step?
Figure the problem.
Set up the problem, that's right. Okay, and then our last step is to solve. What's our last step?
Solve the problem.
Right, okay, great responding. So, this problem I secretly already did. But we're going to start over so I can show you how to do it, okay? So, first step is to read the problem. So what do? My sister saw 3 giraffes and I saw 5 giraffes. How many giraffes did we see in all? Thank you for your eyes on me. Okay, so I Okay, read the problem. Now I'm going to think, is this addition or subtraction? Well, I can use my hand signals to figure that out. I have 3 giraffes. I have 5 giraffes. Put them together to make a whole. That means we're doing addition. What math operation are we doing? Addition. Ready?
Addition.
Yes, you guys got it right. We're doing addition. Okay. So, let me move these out of these boxes really fast. I have to set up the problem. What do I have to do?
Server the problem.
Yep, that's right. Can I hear Midori and Leo say it with me too? I have to set up the problem. What do I have to do?
I set up the problem.
That's right. Thank you. Okay, so I do this by putting 3 blocks into one part box and 5 blocks into my next part box. Whoops. And remember, I have to write down how many I put in each box. Now my last step is to solve. What's my last step?
Solve the problem.
Solve the problem. You guys know this. Okay, so if I don't know what 3 plus 5 is, that's okay. Because I can just move my boxes and then count them from there. So everyone count with me, okay? 1. Oh, everyone say it with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Okay, so how many giraffes did we see? 8. Yes, that's right. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it 2 more times, and then we're going to do it all together, okay? You guys are sitting on your pockets, and you're sitting in ready position. I love that. Okay, now remember, our first step is to solve the problem. What's our first step?
Solve the problem.
No. I said it wrong. Miss Bear said it wrong. If we forget, let's look here. Our first step is to read the problem. What's our first step?
Read the problem.
Yes, you guys know this. Okay, so I'm going to read the problem. It says, there were 4 elephants at the pool of water. Then 2 more elephants came. How many were there now? Okay, raising your hand, who can tell me, what are we counting? Does anyone know? Are we counting about fishes?
No.
Are we counting about candy?
No.
Gabby, what are we counting?
Elephants.
Elephants, that's right. Okay, so I've already read the problem, check. Now I think, is this addition or subtraction? So everyone, can I see your hands out? Thank you. Good following directions. Okay, I have 4 elephants. I have 2 elephants. And everyone show me what I'm doing next.
A whole.
Yes, that means this is addition. What is it?
Addition.
Addition, right. Okay, so my third step is to set up the problem. What's my third step?
Solve the problem.
Yeah, what is it, Leo? My third step is to set up the problem. What's my third step? What did you just say? Can you repeat it? Set up the problem. Can you say set up the problem?
Repeat it again.
It is set up the problem, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to set up the problem by moving 4 elephants into our part box and then 2 elephants into our part box. And don't forget, I have to write how many I put in each box. So how many did I put in my first part box?
4.
4, that's right. And how many did I put in my second part box?
2.
2, that's right. Okay, now that I've set up the problem, my last step is to solve. What's my last step?
Solve the problem.
Yes, Leah, what's my last step? Should I solve the problem? Yes, you're right. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to count these in our whole box. Everyone count with me, okay? 1, oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is we saw 6 elephants.
Wait a minute.
What do you mean, wait a minute?
Okay, I'm going to show this last one to you, and then we're going to start doing them together, okay?
That's a backward.
It looks kind of like it, but it's actually just a funny looking too. Okay, I'm going to play a game with you guys. Are you ready?
Yep.
Whoops.
Oh, that's too big.
I know, this is going a little crazy, huh? Okay, I'm going to take this off, and I want all of you to look at it very closely, because I'm about to take it away, okay? Memorize. Memorize. Okay, my first step is to read the problem. Thank you for your eyes on me. What's my first step?
Read the problem.
You are correct. Okay, there were 6 butterflies on the rose bush and 2 butterflies on the flowers. How many were there all together? My second step. Is this addition or subtraction? Everyone, can you follow my direction and put your hands out? Okay, everyone do this part with me. I have 6. I have 2. Put it all together. Oh, your guys' put it all together looks really good. We are going to do addition. That's what our pattern means. So are we doing addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. You guys got it. Okay, so now that I know it's addition, I need to set up the problem. What do I need to do?
Read the problem. Read the problem.
Try listening one more time. Good trying. My third step is to set up the problem. What should I do?
Set the problem.
Yes, Midori's got it. I need to set up the problem. So I'm going to move 2 into my part box. And, oh, sorry, this should be 6. And 2 into my second part. And I need to write down what I put in my boxes.